Hello everyone, I am Stuart. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Puzzle & Dragons error code 3. As per our research, the error comes during or after migrating the data. In case you are getting the error while migrating the data, then it is possible that you might be entering the incorrect ID or transferring to the wrong region. So we suggest you check these things to make sure you are not making such mistakes. If you are doing everything correctly on your end, but the error is still coming, then, unfortunately, you have to reach out to the game support to recover your account. You will need to provide your ID and secret ID in order to verify your identity against the account. In case for some reason you do not have your secret ID with you, then still we insist you contact the support. It is necessary to have the secret ID for account recovery. But there are many instances when users were able to receive their account upon contacting the game support, even though they don't have their secret ID. To contact the game support, go to gunghoonline.com/support and choose Puzzle & Dragons. Then select the data restoration option from the page. There you can find all the details related to the data restoration for the Puzzle & Dragons. Thank you so much. This is all we have for this error. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support.